Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into ESPN Plus account. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started by clicking open a web browser. I'll type in espn.com/ESPN Plus. You ended up in the official website of ESPN Plus. Now go to the top right and click on the human icon. From the expanded menu, click on Login and you'll end up in the login area for ESPN Plus and your username or your email address in the text box. Head over to the next text field and type in the password Fair Accounts. If you don't remember your credentials, then you can click on Need Help Logging and link, which will help you reset your password or to look for your email. After you're done, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into ESPN Plus quick and easy. ESPN Plus is an American over-the-top subscription video streaming service available in the United States, owned by Disney Media and Entertainment Distribution in partnership with ESPN Incorporated. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.